Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome back to Blue Oval Tavern. Are you having a hard time keeping up with all the Ford news going on and current events? Well, look no further, baby, because this is the July 23 Ford Roundup. Let's do it to it. First off, the first annual Motor City Fox Fest was held July 14th to 15th in Dearborn, Michigan. Over 550 Fox chassis cars were in attendance. There were several events including a dyno day at D&D Performance, a meet and greet at Ford's Garage Restaurant, a Woodward Avenue cruise, and capping things off with a Fox chassis celebration at Ford headquarters. One highlight was Lidio Icabelli's yellow Fox coupe that everybody knows from the old BFG tire ads and banners. It was being put on display by Lidio's daughter and successful drag racer Joanna. Joanna had Harris Lue and Emily Butler from Lue Creative design t-shirts to sell at Motor City Fox Fest exclusively, but they should be available also on the Alternative Auto website any day now. Ford Performance also had a new Foxbody product unveiling at the Motor City Fox Fest, where they not only announced the resurrection of the old Ford Motorsport name and logo, but they also unveiled a new retro Ford Motorsport Foxbody car cover and really nice retro Ford Motorsport Recaro seats. The car cover should be available soon, but if I'm not mistaken, the Recaro seats were a prototype available in a couple different color stripes. So if anybody knows different information on that being available, just let me know and we'll correct that. After the success of the recently released 15x7 turbine reproduction wheels, Latemodel Restoration just dropped their brand new 15x9 turbine wheel for 4-lug Foxbodies. The wheel weighs about 21 pounds and has a positive 18 offset or a 5.71 inch backspacing, depending on how you like to measure your wheels. They're available at the lmr.com website now with an MSRP of $189.99 each, or you could pick up a set of 4 15x7 and 15x9 staggered with center caps and lug nuts for $799.99. If you're a fan of the 417 Fox HVAC relocation bezel for the 87 to 93 Mustangs, then you'll be very interested to hear that he just announced that he is going to be discontinuing the first gen bezels, and he'll only be producing bezel 2.0 going forward. Some people will be sad because they preferred the look of the first gen bezel, but 417 Fox is a one-man operation, so producing only one bezel design improves his productivity. Bezel 2.0 does not require the additional use of that Metra installation kit because it comes with added mounting brackets to support heavier head units. 417 Fox will still produce the original first gen bezel for single den head units and delete bezels until he can come up with a new design. He says over 4,000 relocation bezels have been sold to date. You can buy yours at www.417fox.com. Evan Smith unveiled the new Ford Performance Godzilla intake manifold on his REVan YouTube channel, where he was joined by Ford Performance's Mark Wilson. The new manifold, it's designed with shorter runners and a revised throttle body angle so that it'll fit underneath the hood of an S550 Mustang. It's expected to come in at about $1,125 retail price, and it's available right now from any Ford Performance dealer. YouTuber 401 Foxbody got his hands on one of those new Ford Performance Godzilla intake manifolds, and he picked up 15 rear wheel horsepower and 11 rear wheel torque with 0 losses under the curve. An off-the-shelf cow hood looks like it'll probably clear that intake on a Foxbody. Moving over to the truck line, Ford is slashing EV F-150 Lightning prices by as much as $9,979 depending on trim level. Ford's official statement credits manufacturing efficiency and increased production capacity as reasons for the price cuts. The new prices are still substantially more than the original 2022 Lightning MSRPs, though. The Lightning Pro originally had a starting MSRP of $39,974 and now have a new starting MSRP of $51,990, while the XLT trim had an original MSRP of $52,974 and the new cost to them is $56,990. The EV F-150 is one of a few EVs that are still eligible for the Inflation Reduction Act $7,500 tax credit. That'll reduce the purchase price even more. Ford has sold over 24,000 EV F-150 Lightnings since their introduction in May of 22. But if you still like your F-150 Lightning with an internal combustion engine and a supercharger, then Town & Country Ford in Bessemer, Alabama, just outside Birmingham, will sell you a turnkey 705 horsepower 2023 F-150 XL regular cab two-wheel drive with a Ford Performance Roush supercharger installed at a starting price of $44,998. Town & Country Ford calls it their F-150 Sleeper Package, and it has a 3-year, 36,000-mile powertrain and bumper-to-bumper warranty. Quite a good buy considering a base F-150 XL starts out at $38,000. You can add options, trim levels, cab configurations to the F-150 Sleeper just like buying any other truck. For more information, visit www.f150sleeper.com or you can call Town & Country Ford at 205-491-0010. And finally, the NMRA series is currently at US 131 Motorsports Park in Martin, Michigan this weekend for the Torque Storm Superchargers NMRA NMCA Power Festival, presented by Paul's High Performance. All the usual drag racing classes, car show, manufacturers midway, and even a Bigfoot monster truck exhibition are included. Keep up to date with all the latest NMRA news at www.nmradigital.com. All right, that's all we got for the first edition of Blue Oval News Roundup. Let us know in the comments how you think we did. If you think this is something we should keep doing, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in to the Blue Oval Tavern. Catch you on the flip.